This is a brand new 2014 BMW 328. This car has an 8-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, BMW Assist, Comfort Access, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, Dakota leather upholstery, aluminum wheels, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.